morning. Morning, guys. I just woke up and I had this idea to do a video for you of my morning routine. I just woke up and the first thing I do in the morning is to drink some water. I have it in my room since last night and this is the first time I do to wake up. Well, let me let you know that I'm not definitely a morning person. After I eat, I wake up. But before, like, my brain is still sleepy and I can't process any information or be in a good mood. So, what I'm doing now is that I'm gonna wash my face and I'm gonna brush my teeth so we can go downstairs and get something to wake up, to finally wake up. I'm very strict with my skincare routine. In the morning, what I do is that I wash my face with this purifying gel from Moiskin. It's really good. It doesn't change your pH and that's great. And then I wake up my face. Normally I do it with rose water, but I don't have it right now, so I'm doing it with this Pixie Glow Mist. It's awesome. I love how it wake up my face, and I do some massages so my skin can wake up very well. Then I do this hydrating toner from Moiskin. This is very hydrating and refreshing. I love this one as well. And then I add my hydrating cream. This is an anti-aging one. I love this one from It Cosmetics. It's amazing. And I add my multi-action eye cream from Moiskin as well. This brand is really good. They are not taking it anymore and I'm sad about it, but if you have the opportunity, just get it because it's a very good one. And then obviously I can go out without sunscreen, so I am using this one from Neutrogena. It's 60 SPF and that's really good. So that's my morning skincare routine. And I also have my own towel just for my face. I don't use the same one for my body because it takes a lot of bacteria and you don't want to put it in your face. Alright, so I already add my mist on my face to make it wake up, and I normally go downstairs, get something to eat, and then I finish my skincare routine. What I do is that I add some eye dropping. This is the multi-purpose solution for like eye contacts and that kind of things. So it doesn't do bad to your eyes or anything, it just make it like wake up. I love this step because if I don't do it, I'm gonna be sleepy all day. I already told you once, the first thing I do in the morning is to take hot water and I put half of a lemon on it or an entire lemon. So I ran out of lemon, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get some ginger tea, boil, and then I'm gonna cut a little piece like this of ginger. I'm gonna put it in there and I'm gonna let it boil like 3-5 minutes and then drink that. The good thing about this is that you can reuse it and you can make like 3 times tea of this, so that's good. So the water is already hot and I'm gonna add the ginger and I'm gonna let it boil like 3 or 5 minutes. While this is boiling, I'm gonna choose what I'm having today for breakfast. I think I'm gonna have some pancakes, and so I'm gonna grab some eggs, this, and I'm gonna have some milky milk, and obviously cheese, because without cheese there's no pancakes. And I'm gonna make it out of oats. Mix all of this very well, and then I'm gonna add some Splenda and some sea salt, like a little bit, and vanilla, because I love it with vanilla. Alright, so this is already boiling and it's getting a little bit yellow, so you know this is ready. My ginger tea is ready, and this is like my morning ritual. I like to sit on the couch, see the day, thank God because we are alive, we have health, we have our family, so we gotta give praise. Cheers! After I have my tea, what I normally do is that I work out. I do like 15-20 minutes cardio and then I go ahead and eat. But today is Saturday, so we're not working out today. First round. I don't think this is my pancakes day. Oh my god. Let's see the second round. Alright, it's looking good. Let's see how it goes. Okay, not bad. I don't know what's happening today. Oh my god. This was a really crazy pancakes day. This is the only one that survived. This is pancakes anyway, so whatever. Have a good one. I already ate. I'm finally awake, and now let's take a shower to get ready for the day.
I forgot I was doing the video in English and I started speaking Spanish, so I'm doing a voiceover instead. I'm doing a really soft makeup. I'm applying a BB cream. I'm applying the Capri highlighter from the Huda Beauty palette. It's a cream highlighter, so it gives a very natural and soft highlighter. It's really pretty. I love this one for every day. Now I'm applying a red lipstick. Yes, I love it because it gives a really natural and creamy finish to the face. It's really pretty. Also in my lips, and I'm gonna blend this out. Now let's do some gloss. And I add some powder in places where I get oily and under my eyes. This was my face when I realized I was speaking Spanish instead of English. Now I'm brushing and giving my eyebrows a little color with the Give Me Brow from Benefit. And obviously we can't forget about mascara, so we can finally look awake. I make sure I blend everything very well, and we're ready. We can do our hair now. First, I'm adding a dry shampoo. You have to massage the hair and then brush it very well. And obviously we can forget about moisturizing our skin, so let's add some hydrating cream to our body.
Alright guys, so I'm ready. Don't forget to do your bed. Don't forget to bring water. And don't forget to bring some fruit so you don't get hungry before lunch. Now let's put some perfume. This is my outfit of the day. I already dressed up. I'm ready to go out. And I'm so happy to record this video for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, NGM Modeling, and also to my channel, Siendo Gem. I'm gonna leave the link below so you can subscribe. And don't forget to follow us on our social media, NGM Modeling, and also Siendo Gem. And that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Bye bye. See you next time.